So the Mediterranean diet encourages plant-based food, so basically fruits, vegetables. It encourages fish, less red meat and dairy. It's not that restrictive. It's really broad in general what foods you should try to concentrate on, and therefore you each can find foods that you enjoy eating. I like this diet. One, being biased, I'm Italian. I kind of ate this diet most of my life. I think it's very flavorful. It encompasses lots of foods. It allows for alcohol, and who doesn't like wine? The Mediterranean diet is just a healthy diet overall. It will lower your risk of dying. You're less likely to have a heart attack. You're less likely to have a stroke. You're less likely to have diabetes. I think everybody should research this diet. It makes you live longer. It makes you healthier. So who wouldn't want to have this diet? And drink red wine.